Hey, this Earth Cat Mushroom's coming back with another video. I want to talk today about making a bulk substrate. It's super simple, like everything else we do here, and it only uses a few ingredients. I'll get to that in a minute. The bulk substrate is going to be follow-up to what we've done in a few other videos. We made the monotub, we made the liner's in here, and we've made fully colonized grain. So what the bulk substrate is going to do is going to be the base layer in the monotub. Then you mix the grains in, and put the lid on it, and you're good to go. So making the bulk substrate, super simple. Like I said, just 3 ingredients. First one's going to be coco coir. This is a coco coir brick. What coco coir is really is just coconut husk, and the coconut husk, they press it down in this brick. This is the easiest way to buy it. So it's a 650 gram brick. So you'll need one of these. I'll put that in the description where you can find it. Second thing would be vermiculite. This is, you can find this in any garden store as well. You can get it online too. So you need 8 cups of vermiculite. And then the other thing is water. So for water, all you need is 16 cups, heat it up, boiling hot, and then we'll pour it into the vessel that we have. What I use, excuse my vessel, it's a little worn, but I just use this water container, and on this one, it's worked really well. I just put in, pull the top off, drop in the coco coir brick, put in 8 cups of the vermiculite, and then put in 16 cups of water. You can do 8 at a time if you want, 4 at a time, whatever works. Then you put the lid on top. The reason I had this tape, because it started, over the years, has kind of started cracking on me, and but it hasn't gone yet, so it's still working pretty good. Anyway, put the lid on top of it though, and you let it sit overnight. The reason you want to let it sit overnight, what it's going to do is pasteurize everything. Then in the morning, what it'll do is come back. I'll get cleaned up really good, put gloves on, sanitize out my hands. And then just mix all the substrate in together. And then once all the substrate's mixing together, what this one brick will do with the 8 cups of vermiculite is it'll be enough for 3 batches for the monotub that we already made. So you can see on here, we got the liner in. It's you can see the condensation here because it's growing right now. So the liner's in there. Put the base layer of the bulk substrate down. You'll mix in 1 jar, pat it down, push it in, mix it up really good. Put in some more bulk substrate. Put in the other jar, same thing. And then put in a top layer of the bulk substrate. So it's not very much that you need. You can see it's just to the top, just to the very bottom of the filter here. And then once you have it all mixed in, just like the other video, you put the top on and you put it in your closet, let it sit. So it usually takes a few weeks to start fruiting, and you're good to go. It's the easiest thing that you can do as far as making this type of mushroom. So I'm gonna do a follow-up video next. We'll do actually mixing it all in. So I'll show you the whole steps. We'll do, once I have the bulk substrate made, I'm gonna make that tonight. We'll come back and mix in these 2 jars into a new tub with the liner in there, and that'll complete this series for the monotub. So we'll see you next time. If you like this video, definitely give us a like. Helps out the channel a lot. And hope you subscribe. We'll talk to you soon. Have a good one.